Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived three mischievous princesses named Aisha, Zara, and Maya. Unlike other princesses, this trio was known for their adventurous spirits and playful antics that kept the royal palace abuzz with laughter and surprises. Princess Aisha, the eldest, was a master of disguise. She loved to sneak into the royal kitchen and play tricks on the chefs, making pies that squirted water and candies that popped in your mouth. Aisha's infectious laughter echoed through the castle corridors as she evaded the castle guards with her clever disguises. Zara, the middle princess, had a penchant for animal adventures. She would often escape to the royal stables, where she befriended all the animals. From riding on the back of mischievous ponies to orchestrating impromptu parades with the palace pets, Zara's love for animals brought chaos and joy wherever she went. Maya, the youngest and most curious of the trio, loved exploring secret passages in the castle. Armed with a map she drew herself, Maya discovered hidden rooms filled with forgotten treasures. Her escapades often led her to unexpected places, leaving a trail of giggles and confusion in her wake. One day, as the kingdom prepared for a grand royal event, the mischievous princesses decided to spice things up. Aisha, dressed as a court jester, entertained the guests with her comical antics, making the king and queen laugh like never before. Meanwhile, Zara organized an animal parade, with ducks waddling through the ballroom and rabbits hopping around the guests. The royal ball turned into a lively zoo, and the guests couldn't help but join in the laughter and chaos. Maya, not to be outdone, unveiled her hidden treasures in a secret room. The room was filled with glittering trinkets, playful contraptions, and even a mini treasure hunt for the guests to enjoy. The once solemn event transformed into a delightful carnival. Despite the initial shock, the king and queen couldn't stay mad at their mischievous princesses for long. The joy and laughter brought by Aisha, Zara, and Maya had enchanted the entire kingdom. The once predictable royal events became anticipated adventures, and the mischievous trio became beloved by all. As the sun set on the kingdom, the princesses gathered on the palace balcony, looking over their magical realm. They realized that sometimes a touch of mischief could turn ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. And so, in their playful and mischievous ways, Princess Aisha, Zara, and Maya lived happily ever after, bringing laughter and joy to their kingdom for generations to come.